Hi guys, I'm Jain. Welcome to my vlog. I'm going to buy outside, and after I buy, I'll just play outside in the park. That's why I'll make up because yung mga pogi. Wait, I'll open this first, right? So, ito yung ginagamit ko po. Fill in the other black. So, I'm going to put this. Wait, I'll put this. I'll be back. Wait. So, okay. Nilagay ko na. Sobrang shiny. So, I'm going to put my sunblock here. Nilagay ko na. Wait. See you in part 2. I don't have time. Bye.